Hi guys, this is Lucas from Archetypon. So in this video we are taking a look at the perspective stack, which is this, which add this nice 3D effects to the page. And one thing that is nice is that you can use perspective with other stacks as well. I mean, you can have perspective on a part of your page and other pages to be normal stacks like so, and scroll normal, like the page should, and not like this amazing 3D like effect. So you are getting this all these examples here with are included in the package. This first one is included, and you can run if you have the UI kit bundle with the Pro with Plus. But I guess you could reproduce this one in Foundry or other frameworks as well. And all this you can reproduce with UI kit, this two here. You just don't have the transparency, the opacity effect with a more advanced. You can see here. Yeah. And okay, this is about UI kit, but we are talking about perspective. And let's take a look at the settings now. So here we have the amount of levels. We can have as many levels as we want, and this is only controlling the amount of levels we want to scroll to. For example, I have 5 levels here. So beginning from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there is no 5 here, but we can scroll to the 5th level. If I add another level here, we are going to scroll to empty space, like so. And we don't want that, so I'm just restricting the scrolling to 5 levels. Animation speed is this animation, how far or how slow the animation will be when scrolling from a menu, like so. And then we have the perspective settings. So the perspective itself is the distance of the level to the user, how far and how close the levels are from the user perspective in the 3D axis. This is the z-axis. And the distance is, we have a tooltip here if we hover the mouse. And the distance is the value in pixels separating one level from the other. For example, if I have, we have 1000 pixels. If I have 2000, the levels will be far away from each other. Or more dramatically, like so, too far away. Okay, so, all right, origin. Here we are just saying from where the levels are coming from in the horizontal and the vertical axis. Here we can enter center, right, left, and absolute numbers, and also percentages and relative values like viewport weight, viewport height, viewport width. And here's the same thing, but we can enter top and bottom, like so. Top, and you can see that the levels are coming from the top. Or we can have absolute numbers like 500, and it will be more centered. Or you can add center as well. It's almost the same thing. And let's just use some, just for example, 10 viewport width here, like so, or 80. It will come from the other side. So let's use bottom here, just for fun. Yeah. Or you can leave, I don't remember, I guess 70 viewport height is the default. I'm not sure. All right, and the mono scroll. This in auto, we are allowing scrolling to the page, and level, we are allowing scrolling just inside a level, depending if we have too much content on a level, we can scroll to it, or we can hide all scrolling. It depends on your project, on your page. So let's see how we can navigate from one level to another. For this, let's go to the second example, where clicking on this image take us to the first level. So let's go into edit mode, and you can see we have the perspective stack here, and the levels are numbered. There is a counter, so we can target levels more easily. To target levels, we just, on a text or a link or button or image, in this case, we just add number sign, and the level number, number side, level separator, and 1 in this case, and we add a class of Navi. So yeah, if we add level 2, it will go to the second level, like so. Remember that levels start from 0, so in theory, practically, the second level would be the third one. Let me put in level 1 again, because I'm shipping this project to you guys. All right, and lastly, let's see how we make this type of navigation here. Let's put a more fast navigation, like so. So how we make this navigation where it becomes active as we press or as we scroll to page. We just have a simple list that we will find in UI kit, and I guess in most frameworks, where you just add the links, normally the level links, and a Navi class to each level, and then to the list, to the navigation list, you add a class of P separator Navi. And that's all. You just regulate the the active classes. And that's all for this video and for the perspective stack. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.